Today, I share the Google Workspace update for March. This time, I have amazing updates for you. Stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Google Calendar. Gemini is now integrated with Calendar, making it incredibly easy to schedule meetings with others. Let's take a look at the screen. Here's Google Calendar. When you set up a meeting and invite your guests, you'll see this new option, Suggest Time, like this. So I'm creating a meeting, okay? Add guest, Anna, okay. This is the suggested times. It's new feature. And just click this and Gemini will automatically suggest the best time slots based on everyone's availability.
That's really great. Actually, we were waiting for this last year and finally it's on.
Yes, that's right. The best part, you can find a time when everyone is free without having to manually check each person's calendar. It's a total game changer. Second is the Google Forms update. You can now set a close date and a response limit for your forms. Open Google Forms and select blank form. I'll make a sample form here. That's it. So once the form is ready, click Publish. Now the link is live. You'll see the button in the top right has changed to Published. Click again and select Set Close Date or Response Limit, right? If you choose on a date, you can set a deadline like this. Choose date and time. Or select actual number of responses to set the limit, right? Like 50 responses. Save and save. So now, I think it's useful for HR evaluation. By setting a deadline, easy to visualize who hasn't submitted.
That's true, because you can set up a deadline, which was not possible until now. And when you just compare how many people replied, comparing with the total stuff you have, you can visualize it.
Exactly. The third is Google Drive. You can now open password-protected Office files directly in Google Drive. Before, you had to download them and you had to enter the password to open them. But now you can view and edit them in the preview screen. Also, you can open them as Google Sheets. Imagine you received the email with a password-protected Excel file. Click Add to Drive, okay? Click Add to Drive. And now you can see the file in Google Drive. So let's open it. Click the file and the password screen appears. Enter the password and edit. See, you can open it without downloading. However, the reality, actually this might not be perfect in today's business. If we get an Excel file, we still use Excel. Exactly, this is fantastic update, but in this business scene, we cannot use this feature.
I see, but we were talking earlier that actually we can visualize that Excel sheet. However, sometimes it might happen some issues that the numbers are a little different.
Actually,
the format has changed.
First is Google Meet. Gemini will support you during meetings. This feature is called Ask Gemini. You can ask questions like summarize the discussion or what are the decisions. Only you can see this chat. Even if you join late, you can catch up immediately. Open Google Meet, you'll see the Ask Gemini button and you can ask Gemini to summarize the meeting or list the next actions. I just opened the Google Meet.
Yes, because the contents is not filled yet.
Yes.
But for example, if you participate in a meeting a little late, you can just open it and ask what's going on until now, and you can get information, catch up instantly.
Yeah, Naruto, exactly. It's very useful.
Great.
Thank you. Okay, Naruto, remember this is only for you. No one else can see your chat with Gemini. It's very safe.
Even I ask something awkward that I would not like to ask to my coworkers, I can ask to Gemini without anyone noticing.
Yes, this is a good point. Fifth is Google Vids. You can now automatically generate styled captions for your videos. Open Google Vids and start a new video. This time I use blank vid. I prepare the video and select caption, and choose a design you want. Okay, like this. So what happens? Today I'd like to show you the Google Workspace great tips to you. So stay tuned.
This one surprised me a lot.
This is great feature.
Indeed. For example, for a short video or something introducing yourself, this is so useful.
Yes, exactly. Google Vids generated captions and highlighted the words I'm saying right now. It's a very convenient. Making caption is the hardest work for us, right?
Yes.
Since it reads data directly from Google Drive, it is very fast. So you can also choose styles for vertical videos like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Video editing just got dramatically easier. Sixth is integration of NotebookLM and Gemini. This is the highlight of today's video. You can now select NotebookLM as a source in Gemini. Open Gemini at the bottom left. Select the NotebookLM as your source. Select the notebook you want, and this time I'll choose this one, okay? And add. The big difference is you can brainstorming with Gemini, like this. This is a brainstorm. We can have a conversation with Gemini. If you use NotebookLM, NotebookLM gives you precise answers based on your sources. It's not made for brainstorming.
Indeed, before in NotebookLM, we could only ask questions related to the source we added, but I also wanted to ask so much things or get more opinions from it. That's a really big change.
Yeah, exactly. In my Japanese account, this is my thought, and I inserted the resources, like amount of hundreds of resources. I can use this pool of resources into Gemini. This is amazing update. So finally, a bonus update. Gemini can now help you prepare for exams. For example, it can create practice questions for the SAT. Using this feature, you can easily create corporate training tests as well. This will significantly change the way we learn. Open Gemini and type. Gemini instantly generated the test, and I choose this reading and writing and start. So this is a timer, and this is a progression. So you can see the grade test.
It's actually great.
Yeah, exactly, Naruto. I think this update shows us Google wants to eliminate unfairness in education. They want to spread this knowledge to everyone. How was that? For me, the NotebookLM update is the best. How about you, Naruto?
Google Vids also touched me a lot.
How about you guys? If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.